Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Tesla Model 3 steering wheel position. To begin, simply tap the controls icon on your touchscreen display. Then, select the steering option. You'll notice a visual representation of the steering wheel on the screen. Now, you're ready to make your adjustments for optimal comfort and control. It's a quick and easy process to personalize your driving experience. Once you're in the steering menu, focus on the left scroll wheel located on your steering wheel. This wheel controls the vertical movement. Gently push the left scroll wheel upwards to raise the steering wheel or push it downwards to lower it. Find a height that allows for a clear view of the instrument panel and comfortable arm positioning. This ensures a relaxed and safe driving posture. Now, let's adjust the steering wheel's depth. While still in the steering menu, use the right scroll wheel on your steering wheel. This wheel manages the horizontal or telescopic movement. Push the right scroll wheel forward to bring the steering wheel closer to you, or pull it back to move it further away. Aim for a distance that allows a slight bend in your elbows when holding the wheel. After you've found your ideal steering wheel position, the Tesla Model 3 automatically saves these settings to your active driver profile. There's no need to manually confirm or save. Simply tap anywhere outside the steering adjustment menu on the touchscreen to exit. Your personalized steering wheel position will be recalled every time you select your driver profile, ensuring consistent comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.